Welcome. Today, let's talk about dropshipping, a business model that can change your life. Imagine running an online shop where you never touch the products you sell. Here's how it works. A customer buys from your store, you order from a supplier, and the supplier ships directly to your customer. You're the connector, earning profit without ever handling inventory. The best part, you only pay for products after you've made a sale. That means low risk and low startup costs. Just a laptop and internet connection. You can work from anywhere, your bedroom, a cafe, or even while traveling. No warehouses, no stock, no headaches. Focus on marketing and customer happiness, not packing boxes. Test products easily. If one doesn't sell, try another. Here's a simple example. Sell a gadget for 2,000 rupees, buy it from your supplier for 800, and keep the 200 rupee profit. You never touch the product, but you keep the profit. That's the magic of dropshipping. Simple, flexible, and powerful. It's the perfect way to start your entrepreneurial journey. You're not tied down. This is true freedom. Ready to learn how to build your own dropshipping empire? Let's dive in. This is the power of dropshipping. Success starts with the right product, a golden product that solves a real problem or sparks excitement. Don't just sell anything. Look for items that aren't easily found in local stores and have strong emotional appeal. Use social media trends. Check TikTok, Instagram, and see what's going viral. Read comments. Are people excited? Asking where to buy? That's your clue. Use tools to spy on what's selling in other stores, but don't just copy. Find your unique angle. Case in point, Aman struggled selling generic items, but when he found a portable neck fan and made a simple video ad, sales exploded. The lesson? Find a product with a wow factor and show how it improves lives. Make sure your product has a healthy profit margin. Buy for $15, sell for 40 or more. Avoid cheap, low-quality, or bulky products. Shipping costs and bad reviews will hurt you. Focus on small, lightweight, high-quality items with strong appeal. Keep searching until you find your golden product. The right product is the foundation of your dropshipping success. Stand out by solving real problems. Your winning product is out there. Go find it. Let's move on to building your store. Ready for the next step? Ready for... Your product needs a home, a professional online store. Platforms like Shopify make setup easy, no coding required. Choose a clean, trustworthy design. First impressions matter. Branding is key. Tell a story, not just sell a product. Name your store creatively. Think urban cool, not cheap fans online. Use high-quality photos and videos to show your product in action. Write persuasive descriptions. Focus on benefits, not just features. Add real customer reviews for trust. Make checkout fast and simple. Only ask for what's necessary. Offer multiple payment options for convenience. Remove every obstacle between your customer and their purchase. Your store is your brand's kingdom. Make it irresistible. Now let's bring in customers. Time for marketing magic. You have a great product and a beautiful store. Now you need visitors. In 2026, short-form video rules. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Don't make ads. Make entertaining, relatable content people want to share. User-generated content, UGC, is gold. Real people using your product builds trust. Partner with small creators for authentic videos. Master Facebook and Instagram ads. Target your ideal customer, not everyone. Start small. Test different videos and audiences, and scale what works. Don't ignore email marketing. Offer a discount for emails, then build relationships with helpful messages and offers. Turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. Modern marketing is about connection, not just promotion. Use video, UGC, smart ads, and email to grow fast. Ready to avoid common traps? Let's finish strong. Here's how to stay on track. Dropshipping is exciting, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Expect failures. Your first product or ad might flop. That's normal. Learn from mistakes, adjust, and keep going. Persistence wins. Treat customers like real people. Answer questions quickly, be honest, and resolve issues fast. Great service builds your reputation and brand. Don't get stuck in endless research. Launch your store and learn by doing. Progress beats perfection. Take action, launch, test, improve. Entrepreneurship will challenge and grow you. It's about more than money. It's about building something of your own. The skills you gain will serve you for life. Believe in yourself and start today. The world is waiting for your magic. Take the leap. Your journey begins now. Good luck. You've got this.